Hi, this is Kim's Beauty Biz again. Tonight we are in my bathroom and we're talking about favorite products. I've made a Paul Mitchell heat styling and thermal brush video. You guys check it out on YouTube or on the website if you haven't done that. But tonight we're going to answer another question, and that is like the most important makeup brushes. Most women, we know we need them, but we really don't know which ones exactly at what time. So hopefully tonight I get to help a little and maybe shed some light on that for you. Now, these are just the ones that I use personally. Everybody kind of is different. But the overall first brush I use, and if you guys have watched the 5-minute face video, is an oval, and these are the hottest thing going. They're so comfortable and soft to your skin, ladies. But this is a powder brush. It replaces like the one that comes in the 5 kit, so I use 4 other brushes and the oval powder brush. And when you're smoothing and buffing, it's upward and outward circles, and it buffs your skin to a flawless airbrush complexion. You could not have bought a better brush. This is Beauty Control. This brush itself was $25. But anyway, the other 4 brushes that, of course, every woman needs after our powder is, of course, our blush brush. So that's brush number 2. And when you apply your brush, of course, the old trick, sink your, cheeks in like you're a silly fish or something and kind of put it on just the ridges, just to contour your cheekbones. And I always, when I'm taking and contour the chin up through your T-zone and a little bit on the temples. And you ladies that like, this is super simple. Kim's Beauty Biz, easy 5-minute face is all about using the blush to contour and eyeshadow as well. But when I do have an important meeting like today or other things, I do use eyeshadow, and that is in a 3-step process. Even your department store or box brands that have the 3 different colors, which is your base shadow color. So this is brush number 3 that you need, is an eyeshadow brush. And this is just the applicator blush. Okay, we contour with brush number 4, and this is the liner. Okay, it's a little thin. It almost is at an angle. You see the angle? Okay. So it lines underneath when you're shadowing underneath, and as well like eyeliner on the top. Some ladies use this method and don't even really use eyeliner, but I have to have my eyeliner, y'all. So I'm sorry. And of course, we are blending our last brush, which is brush number 5 that we use is step number 3 of the eyeshadow process. That is the blending brush. And after you've applied the first layer base from the tip to where your crease is, of course, the second contour is in the crease, and you also rim it on the top eyelash in a V pattern and blend with the blending brush. Easy, smoky eye, you guys. Also have a video for that on YouTube. Check it out. But anyway, that's today's helpful hints for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. As always, check out kimsbeautybiz.com and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You guys, lots of helpful content. As always, stay tuned.